This is tab 2 of subprogram 5. It is for selecting the second box. It got here because it already selected the first of the two boxes, so now they get to click on the second box. Now, just like when they clicked on the first box, it makes the entire area clickable and assigns it click number 2. Well, then right away it checks to see if there wasn't a click number 2, it's going to go to DI and go home. That means no box in that area was clicked. If a box was clicked in that whole area, it will get the index in I by using the mat action, telling it there are 5 columns and 4 rows. Which one of them is the one that they clicked on? Well, it'll put the value in I. But then, if that has already been realized, in other words, box show plus I, it's already been realized, well, you can't match it with a box that's already been used, so it goes to DI and just ignores what was done. However, if it never was realized, it then says, well, the second index is I, the second pick is picture sub I, and it marks box show plus I to the second pick, which means that now that picture will be displayed. Whether or not it matched or not, it's going to be displayed until the box show plus I is either zeroed again or it's left alone and it's realized. So after that it says if they are not equal. If the first pick and second pick are not equal, go to DJ. We're going to go down there and see that it then sets a wait count to 80 and sets the state to 3, which is the state it goes in when it's going to wait. They didn't match, so it's going to wait a certain amount of time, and then it's going to hide them again because they didn't match. However, if they did match, then it's going to say the state is equal to 1, which means we're going back and saying, okay, now you go pick number 1, and then you get to pick number 2 again. So we're setting the state back to 1, except that's not what you do if all of them have been realized, because you can't realize any more of them. So it's going to go into a loop for I of 0, I to 19, one at a time, and check every one of the boxes to see if any one of them has not been realized. If that is true, eventually it'll go to DI, go home, and the state will stay state 1. But if it can't find anyone that's been realized, has not been realized, I mean, it's then going to change the state to 4 because the game is over. All have been realized. So this is the routine for the second click.